Hey, peace. Welcome back to another episode of the Money Codes. My name is Joel, here to give you today's Money Code fix. And on today's episode, I want to go over the Divi Credit Builder. Now, this is a newer product that Divi has rolled out. And if you're not familiar with the company Divi, they are a fintech company that is now famous for helping small businesses build their credit with their credit products. They have a reputation for giving out generous credit limits. They report to the credit bureaus, and you're able to earn rewards with their credit product. They are a company getting a lot of traction, and the only downside that I would say, at least up until now, is if you're a relatively new business, meaning you just got incorporated and there's not a lot of traffic going in and out of your bank account, you may not get approved for their credit card product that extends you out a credit limit. So think of like a traditional charge card. Many people weren't able to get approved for that because they were just too new, or because they really couldn't show a lot of activity in their bank account. So now here is Divi. Now they're bringing out their Credit Builder program. It's essentially a prepaid charge card. That's an easy way to think about this. But again, this is a prepaid charge card that is going to be able to give you the same benefits as their unsecured product. It's still going to report to the credit bureaus, going to have access to their software, which gives you a great bird's eye view on the spending habits of your company. This way you're going to be able to enjoy the same benefits even if you are a brand new LLC. And also, by the way, if you have not gotten your LLC, if you don't have an EIN number, if you don't have a business bank account, if you are just brand new, I created a video a few months back, which I will link above, and I'll likely put that in the description as well. If you are starting from brand new and you don't know anything about anything when it comes to business credit and how to incorporate, watch that video. I'll link that below. And by the way, I'm also going to do a complete walkthrough for this Divi product so you can see firsthand how easy it is to sign up for the Divi Credit Builder product. All right, so now let's just jump back onto the website. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's check out the rewards that they offer, and then watch me go ahead and sign up for this Divi Credit Builder product. All right, so now let's just jump right in. So now if you go ahead and you scroll down, the prepaid card with the credit card rewards. Now all businesses can be approved for a line of credit right away. And I just mentioned that before. Remember, if you're new, if your business checking account does not have enough activity on there, you're likely not going to get approved for their line of credit. But with a pay-as-you-go option, the Divi Credit Builder program puts every small business on a path to obtain a credit line while providing them with the same easy-to-use expense management software and rewards as your standard credit cards. All right, so don't get discouraged. Just because this is a pay-as-you-go option, you're still going to be able to reap the benefits. Easy online application, which we're about to do in just a minute. Build business credit, secure virtual credit cards. I mentioned in many of my videos that credit card fraud is at an all-time high. So if you're able to work with a company that does allow you to use virtual credit cards, that is a plus. Earn Divi rewards, which we're going to go over in just a minute. Track spend in real time. Again, another reason why this company is very popular is their software allows you to really get a great look at your spending habits. If you have somebody that works for your company, you're going to be able to see the spending habits for your employees. Or if you want to set a monthly limit to some of the cards that your employees use, this software is going to give you a great bird's eye view of your company's spending habits to make sure that everything is under control. And then lastly, seamless software integration. Save hours of accounting work with software integrations that only Divi's Card Plus software solution can provide. All right, so how does it work? Use Credit Builder's prepaid card to work your way up to a credit line with Divi. And like other credit card prepaid programs, when you're paying on time, when you're doing what you're supposed to be doing for several months, you will have the opportunity to have your account reviewed and to be able to have the credit line extended to you. You're still going to get the benefits, but those that want to have a credit line extended to them, you're going to have to work your way up to that. No minimum balance required. Preload your card for as much as you need, as often as you like, so there's no limit there. And then build credit as you make payments. Divi reports your payments to Dun & Bradstreet and Small Business Financial Exchange. And then at the very bottom, you're going to see your common questions answered. Why do I have to complete a credit application for the Credit Builder? You don't have to be scared about this. This is going to be a soft pull, but for verification purposes, for fraud prevention, you are still going to have to do a credit application. But don't worry, I'm going to show you all the steps in a few minutes. How is Credit Builder different from the standard Divi program? The standard Divi program includes a line of credit where the full balance must be paid on the payment due date. So think of it like your traditional charge card. The Credit Builder program is for businesses who do not qualify for a line of credit. This is a program that allows businesses to make payments to Divvy in a way to preload their account and then spend. Will I have access to virtual cards with Credit Builder? Yes. What rewards do I have access to with Credit Builder? Credit Builder's reward system mirrors that of our weekly rewards program for a credit line, and I'm going to go over that on the next page. How do I load my Credit Builder account with funds? Via wire or ACH transfer, or directly via the payment portal on the Divvy dashboard. How frequently will my credit be reported with the Credit Builder? Your activity will be reported to credit bureaus on a monthly basis. Does Divvy Credit Builder impact my personal credit? No, it does not. Remember, this is going to be a soft inquiry only. What credit bureaus will the credit be reported to? Dun & Bradstreet, SBFE, as we just mentioned. Can Divvy Credit Builder negatively impact my credit? On-time payment history can have a positive impact on your credit score. Late payments may negatively impact your credit score. This is common sense, guys. Make sure that whichever company that you're dealing with, whether it be a Credit Builder program, whether it be something like Self or Credit Strong, whether it be something like Get Divvy. So whatever credit products that you do end up signing up for, make sure you are responsible with paying on time. Now let's jump over to the rewards. Now, as you can see here, there are different tiers of how you can earn rewards. You have weekly, you have semi-monthly, and you have monthly. Now, if you're paying attention to the numbers as I go back and forth, you can see that you're actually going to be able to earn more rewards if you pay weekly, as opposed to semi-monthly and monthly. Now, this is a very creative way to incentivize consumers to pay regularly, to pay on time, and to pay more frequently. And if you've been watching any of my videos up until this point, you know I am a fan of at least paying bi-weekly for your credit card products. You're able to keep your spending habits under control. On the personal side, it's a lot easier to keep your utilization down if you are paying on a week-to-week or even a bi-weekly basis. You should feel very comfortable with the concept of paying down your credit cards more than once per month. So you're going to get 7 times points on restaurants, 5 times points on hotels, 2 times points on recurring software subscriptions, and then 1.5 times points on everything else. So now what does it look like when it's time to redeem these points? So you can see an example here. If you have $100,000 points that you earn with Divvy, if you're going to redeem them for Divvy Travel, you're going to get $1,000 towards travel. For gift cards, it's going to be $510. For statement credits, it's going to be $490. And if you want to redeem your points for cash back, it's going to be $520 that you're going to get back. So another way to look at this is if you are on the weekly payment schedule and you're getting 7 times points on restaurants and you want to redeem them for, let's say, cash back. If you do the calculations, you're getting 3.6% cash back at restaurants, and then you're getting 2.6% back at hotels. For a credit card product that you can sign up with no annual fee, no monthly fee, soft inquiry, and for it to be essentially a prepaid product, I gotta say that these rewards are more than competitive. So at this point, let's see what it looks like when we go ahead and sign up for this product. Back at the main page, and by the way, I'm gonna have my affiliate link below, so if you wanna support the channel and you are interested in this product, make sure to use that link that is down below. We're gonna hit start application. So of course, I'm gonna block out all of the sensitive information, but still, I want you to be able to see what it looks like and really how long it takes for us to go through the application. So I'm just gonna put in a business email here. On the next page, it's going to ask me for the legal business name, my first name, the number of full-time employees, my mobile number, and then my entity type. So let's go ahead and put this information in here. All right, so now they just sent over an access code to my email. So I need to go ahead and check that and then put in the code so I can verify I am who I say I am. All right, I'm going to hit continue. Now let's go ahead and start the application. So this is going to be my business information. So now I'm going to put all of my business info. And as a reminder, if you are new and you don't have this information, go ahead and watch the video that I'm going to link down below. And that way you're going to be able to have all the steps to register and create your LLC. You're going to take all that information and this is where you're going to input it. And now if we scroll down, you're going to see that they're going to ask me the industry that I'm in, for me to confirm the type of corporation that I have, the formation date, the business annual revenue, my tax ID number. Again, I showed you how to do that in another video. and the ownership type. So now I'm going to put this information in, and then I'm going to hit continue. After putting that in, they're asking me for my desired line of credit. Even though we're going to be prepaying for this product, they're still asking us for our desired line of credit. So I'll just go ahead and put in 10,000. And then there's going to be instant bank verification to verify you are who you say you are, to be able to verify that activity in that bank account. A lot of these companies are going to ask for this banking verification. So let's go ahead and hit verify now. This pop-up comes up. Now I'm going to be able to log into my online bank account and be able to connect it now to Divvy. Next, we're going to enter in our default payment method. I'm going to put that in here. Once we put in our banking information, it's going to ask us now, which rewards do we want to sign up for? We mentioned this before. There's the weekly plan, twice a month, and the monthly. To maximize the rewards, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the weekly. And then I'm going to hit save and continue. Now this is where they're going to do the soft inquiry. I'm going to put in my personal information here. Then I'm going to hit save and continue. Now they're asking me if I'm a beneficial owner. I'm going to hit yes, and then I'm going to hit save and continue. Do I want to add my accountant as an admin? No, not right now. Here it's going to ask me who's going to be the admin for this account. I'm going to put myself. All right, so now everything that I put in before, the name of my business, my website, my physical address for my business, my personal info. On this page, I can make sure everything is spelled correctly. There's no typos. I didn't put anything in by accident. If everything looks good, I'm just going to go ahead and hit send to signer. Now at this point, I need to go back to my email and do the e-sign. So once you go to your email, you validate yourself, you hit the signature button. Divvy is going to let you know whether or not your corporation is eligible to be qualified for that credit line product, or if you need to go to the credit builder program. And then you're going to get to this page here that says they're going to be taking a few days to verify all the information that you submitted. They're going to verify your business as well as your personal information. And then they're going to get back to you hopefully within a couple of days. So make sure you keep an eye out on your phone. Make sure you keep an eye out on your email. That way, when they try to get back in contact with you, you can go ahead and you can complete this process. So that is it. I know this was a longer video, but I wanted to show you the entire process. Hopefully you got a couple of gems from it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, go down in the comments, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're going to be applying for this, or if you already have the Divvy credit line product. Let me know how you're enjoying it. And other than that, I'm going to check you out in the next video. Peace.